All right, how's it going, YouTube? We're gonna do a little parking lot bashing today. So we in this parking lot. If y'all remember, I did a video in here. We drag racing here as well. It's not covered, but it's better than standing outside. So right now I got out the Creighton. I got out the XT, which we're gonna test to see if that still has a clicking noise. I have out the Proline MT. I have out the Losi 8E, and I have out the Armor Italian. Just needs a body, and I want to get the stock tires for it. So hopefully we can get all these rigs running. We're supposed to have Russ come out and Kevin, and I believe Benji. So we'll see how that goes. Right now I'm gonna set up the car. I got a new system in this one that I want to try out. It's only gonna be on 2S and 3S. I want to try that one out. Last time I drove it, it was shutting down on me, so I want to figure that out. Check the clicking noise and just bash. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, see how she does. It is on 6S. Sorry about the angle, guys. So when I do plan on running, I do plan on putting a camera on here because I know down there we get, I don't know if y'all can really see or not. So I will put a camera up there, have some footage in case we get a little tight around them turns. But right now, I like that little course I just set up. So if y'all can see, I'm going 1, 2, the third arrow, I'm making a turn and coming right back around that path. There's an arrow down there. I'm just going around that and making a little. Now, what's dangerous to me, I think, is when you coming around this turn, you might hit this this beam right here if you're not careful. But right now, the car is not acting, it's acting good, so that's a good thing. I'll probably run it on 5S or maybe even 4S. I'm nowhere near full throttle, so I know it has too much power. Let me turn on the brakes just a little bit more, and then let's get a test of it real quick. She leaving. And my weight is off right now because I'm only running one 6S in there. I'm supposed to run 2 batteries in here, so the weight is getting thrown that way. Alright guys, that was the first run of the XT off the bench. So far it's doing good. I need to put both batteries in here, but I'll probably run this on 4S, so that was a good test. Alright guys. Alright y'all, we got the Proline MT out. We just want to test and see if everything is good with it, heat wise. It's on 2S, so just want to see how it does. It does have the Armor BLX. I say. It gets up pretty nice on 2S if you ask me. I like that. I'll give it one more pass and I'm gonna check the temp. Came around the corner on 3 wheels. What I noticed it won't do though is pop wheelies with that 2S. That's alright though. Alright, let's bench test it. Alright, just a quick temp test. Gotta get some batteries for this, but see what it's doing. 80 ESC is my thing went dead. No, it's still up. I got another one. It's 46. I mean, that's not bad. Let me get the other one. Alright, so let's test these temps again. So we got 85 on the can, and the ESC is 50 degrees, and 80 on the can. That's great. All right, so I know that's performing. I believe it will hold 3S as well, but we'll try 2S and see how it goes. So we're gonna stay on 2S and stay tuned. Let's try the Italian. All right, guys. So I got the Armor Italian out. I put some on-road tires on it. Last time I ran it, I believe it was on 5S, and I don't think this stock ESC recognizes 5S. So right now it's on 6. Let's see what happens. Brakes could come down just a tiny bit. Running good. Running good. I don't got a body for it yet, and I want the stock tires back on here, but I'm liking the way it's running. I do need to adjust the camera in the front and in the rear. She running. Shout out to Brian, man. Hooked me up on Italia. I put the stock electronics back in there, and she running good. Wow, those tires just took that corner full throttle. Let's come back and see if it'll do it again. Alright, we having a bit too much fun. Let me go ahead and test them tires and see if they get hot. Yeah. Shout out to my man Pro King. He told me about these tires about 2 years ago, and I bought them and been running them ever since. They don't balloon. As far as parking lot running, I'm not sure about speed runs, but tires running good. I believe I can gear it up some more. Oh, look at that. Got some work to do. Good thing I seen that too. So the engine bolts came loose. Throw that up on the table, tighten that up and get it ready in case we somebody wants to drive it, or even if I drive it in the circus. We got Kevin, he said he's running a little bit late. I'm not sure if Benji's gonna still make it, and still waiting on Russ. But either way, I'll be in here running until they come.
Judging.
Yes.
If you're going behind the cone.
That's you gotta get used to.
That's the other thing too. You gotta get used to that.
Let's see if that camera stay up there. All right. We'll line up. Go around that cone, that one. We're gonna do 2 races? 3?
Yeah, a couple laps, 2 laps, 3 laps, whatever.
All right, let's go for 2.
All right.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
Set, go.
That's awesome.
Ready? Yep. Set, go. There go the camera. There's too much power.
Yeah, it is.
All right, ready?
Yep.
Set, go. Russ got that power.
That could have been scary.
Ready?
Yep.
Set, go. Oh, you son of a gun. I ain't worried about because when I turned that corner, you came around me right on that footage.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
Set, go. Ooh. Whoa,
Wow, the camera's on the ledge, dude.
You look at that. We nearly lost the GoPro. No, I said we nearly did. How we would have got back there, I don't know.
Oh, all right. I thought it was just a bracket. You was holy shit.
No, I said look at that. Nothing. Alright, drivers ready?
Yep.
Watch your lights. Ready, set, go. Oh, he got the jump on me there. He went too wide. He went too wide. Oh, we got him. All right. Ready, set, go. Oh, too hard on me. Oh, it's still hitting the car.
It's hot to judge it.
Yeah, you gotta get used to it.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. That 4S, man.